Members in Route 64, flight 738 to Chicago O'Hare. If you're not already an Advantage member, you can join for free.
Alright, so as you can see, as you probably saw from the other clips, I took a plane and I'm now back up in Chicago, back at the Orozco yard, and I just got a brand new truck. So Orozco didn't want me to wait around until the truck that I had, 2545, got fixed. So they just sent me up here to get this truck. Just landed. Today is I think today's the 13th. Yeah, it is the 13th. It is late. So I got to run to Walmart real quick. I got to go get some blankets. I left the truck out in Flagstaff, Arizona, so I got to get back out there and go get my stuff. Right now they're going to send me up to somewhere else. I forgot where. And then they're going to send me down there to go get my stuff. But yeah, my new truck, 2132. And it comes with this little key fob thing. So I can actually unlock and lock the doors with a fob. If you haven't been in truck driving, you don't know how cool that is. If you've been in truck driving, well, you know how cool that is. There's a freaking fob. I'm gonna like that. So, I'm surprised that Orozco just flew me out to get a new truck. I don't even know what's wrong with the old one. I will find out though, because curiosity does kill the cat. But it is cold up here in Chicago. It is like 25 degrees outside, 25, 30 degrees. So inside this truck, it is cold right now. And Layla is pretty cold, and that was her first air flight, or first time on a plane, period. So yeah, I took a few little clips and whatnot. I'm just gonna sprinkle them in this video somewhere. So anyway, good night. I gotta get started early in the morning and make some money. So I'm really liking it here at Orozco. Have a good one. Comment, like, rate, and subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. And yeah, click down below and